So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install the latest game turbo for your any Mi, Redmi or Poco phones. So the prerequisites are you just need these two APKs installed, which is linked in description. So now click on this APK, click on install and allow once. Okay, can't downgrade apps. This is because I've already installed these, so I can't be installing them again because it's got a downgrade. So same for both. So if you have installed these both, you will be getting these kind of game turbo. Let me show you right now. So that's the game turbo. Let me show you the sound. So let's go to game turbo, and there we go. This is how the new game turbo looks like. As you can see, they have changed the UI a bit, and we are not sure when this is going to come in the MIUI 13 build. And they have changed a lot of UI they have done a lot of UI optimizations, and it's very good. And there are some bugs in this wherein, like, as you can see, how much ever I scroll, that goes to 30 Hz, I guess. So that's a bug and that should be fixed, and you can change it to high quality, and some other additional settings can be configured, and nothing else is new in this game turbo. So if this video helped you how to install the game turbo, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye.